dear followers, good to see you again. This is Mr. Weezing with this time an opening of a fossil booster pack with this beautiful Aerodactyl artwork. It always hurts to open sealed boosters, but you know, we also do it for the thrills and we also do it for you. So let's hope that we can pull another banger out of this, and yeah, let's see what we get. So there's one thing which remains to be done. Weezing. No, just kidding. Let's open it, mates. Oops. Whoa, these cards feel funny. Well, obviously they've been sealed for a shitload of time, so let's see. Okay, we start with a very nice Geodude, followed by a Recycle, a Gambler, Slowpoke, one of the best artworks ever created, not for nothing that it has been reprinted again, a Kabuto, Zubat, Energy Surge, hey, awesome, Golbat, oh, oh, wow, look at this beauty, holy moly, wow. Absolutely amazing holo, one of the most beautiful I've ever seen for sure. I also started unpacking this because I just love the holos from this set and they're absolutely incredible, but wow, what a beauty. And then we finish off with a Tentacruel. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned because I actually figured this might be a lucky charm. Maybe there will be some luck with it, so let's hope for an Articuno or something. I think I can't wait to open this one up, so make sure to check the next video.